welcome to Magic Cake! Yeah! We got such an awesome cake for you today. A SmallFoot cake! Yeah! Look at all those awesome stars. All right, let's start up with our cake. And our creamy, creamy frosting. Num, 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 num. And our layers. Now frosting up the sides. Do you guys just love watching these cakes? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us what your favorite flavor of frosting is. Wow, look at all the pretty colors.
Wow.
It's going from blue to purple. All right, let's start with our modeling. Time for your trivia question today. Where would you see a mirage? Make sure you watch till the end to find out the answer. All right, we're gonna start making an awesome Yeti head. SmallFoot. Oh, it's gonna look so cool when it's all put together. Remember, you can always do this at home with Play-Doh. Add in your details. And remember, if you're using a sharp knife, be super careful. Don't cut your fingers. Aww, isn't it coming together awesome? Do you like winter? Do you love playing in the snow? Do you make snowmen outside? How about coming back inside? Do you drink hot chocolate to get all warmed up? It kind of looks like a big marshmallow, huh? That'd be the coolest marshmallow ever. Can't forget his teeth. Look at all those teeth. And some eyebrows. Aww. He looks so awesome. Do you think he looks awesome too? Remember, if you're using a paintbrush, especially with black paint, be super careful so you don't smudge anything. You can always do this at home with Play-Doh. It'll be so much fun. Just don't eat your Play-Doh. Cakes are delicious. Play-Doh, not so much. His fingers. Wow, look how awesome that looks. What do you think this is gonna be? Keep watching. Is it another face? I think you might be right. It looks like a face! You were right! With some ears, and now some hair. Remember, if you just love watching these videos, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new cake. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us an awesome comment. Tell us what your favorite cake you've seen is so far. And remember, hang out to the end to find out our trivia question. Where would you see a mirage? Aw, we made a cute little jacket for him and everything. So awesome! Now we're gonna start using the details. Aww! Can't forget your eyebrows. Awesome eyebrows! And a mouth. He's gonna look so cool. Are you super excited to see him finished? Me too. Aww. Those are sparkle spots. All right, let's put them together.
Aww.
So cute. Aw, and they're hugging. So adorable. Now for some cutting out. Remember, don't cut your fingers. Be super careful if you're ever using something sharp. Now we're gonna use our letter cutter outers. That's an F and an O. Another O. And a T. What's that smell? SmallFoot. Now we're gonna do our snowflake stars. How awesome! And our sparkle sticks. We're gonna put it all together. Aw, don't you just love this color of cake? It's so awesome! All right, the answer to the trivia question where you would see a mirage is in the desert! Did you get it right? Let us know in the comments if you got the trivia question right. Aw, cute snowflakes. Give us a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another cake. So pretty! Snowballs! Do you love having snowball fights too?
Wow.
Now our topper! And our sparkle star snowflakes! So fun! Isn't this awesome? Aw, it's so cute! All